If you're struggling with that abdominal fat that won't go away, you feel tired all the time, or you think your metabolism is slower, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you all about Hepatoburn, the natural supplement that promises to speed up your fat burning by improving the health of your liver. But does it really work? Come with me. Hepatoburn is a supplement in capsules created based on recent scientific discoveries. Researchers have identified that impaired liver function is one of the main factors behind persistent fat. And this product acts exactly there, detoxifying the liver and activating the metabolism. What's inside Hepatoburn? Each capsule contains a powerful combination of natural ingredients such as 5 supernutrients designed to ignite your fat-burning furnace, boost your metabolism and support healthy and sustainable weight loss. Resveratrol is a polyphenol found primarily in grape skins and red wine. Studies show that it activates genes linked to fat burning and cellular longevity, stimulates energy metabolism at the mitochondrial level, fights silent inflammations that make it difficult to lose weight. In addition, resveratrol helps protect the liver, contributing to a cleaner and more efficient internal environment for weight loss. Camellia sinensis, green tea extract, burns calories and protects the heart. This extract is rich in catechins such as EGCG, known for their direct action on fat burning. It acts increasing the body's natural thermogenesis, favoring fat oxidation, improving cardiovascular health, an important differential for those who are overweight. Camellia sinensis is one of the most studied natural substances when it comes to real weight loss. Genistein, hormonal potency and inflammation control. Extracted from fermented soybeans, genistein is an isoflavonoid with hormonal regulatory power, especially useful for women. Its main benefits include stimulates fat burning, especially in the abdominal region, helps balance female hormones during phases such as perimenopause and menopause, reduces chronic inflammation, one of the biggest obstacles to weight loss. Ideal for those who feel that, despite dieting, the body resists losing fat. Chlorogenic acid reduces stored calories, burns more. Present in green coffee, this natural acid is a favorite in high-performance supplements. He reduces the absorption of carbohydrates in the intestine, lowers blood glucose spike, preventing fat accumulation, improves caloric burn rate, even at rest. The result? A faster metabolism, even without drastic changes in diet. Choline burns fat and improves mental focus. Although less well known, choline is essential for the proper functioning of the liver and brain. Its main effects: stimulates fat oxidation in the liver, preventing the accumulation of liver fat. Supports cognitive function, memory, and focus, which helps maintain discipline during the weight loss journey. Facilitates the transport of fat to be used as energy. That is, choline helps the body use stored fat as fuel. How does Hepatoburn work? The liver is like a power plant of the body. When it is overloaded by toxins, it cannot function well. Hepatoburn cleanses the liver, improves its efficiency, and makes the body burn fat again automatically. Many people report more energy, less bloating, better sleep, and, of course, weight loss. Users in the United States report incredible results, especially after 60 to 90 days of continuous use. In addition, the product offers a 60-day guarantee. If it doesn't work for you, your money is returned without questions. You can choose between 2, 3, or 6 bottles. The most advantageous is the 6-bottle one, with the lowest cost per unit and free shipping. And yes, the formula is 100% natural, without gluten, lactose, or GMO ingredients. If you feel that your body is stuck, tired, and the fat won't go away for anything, maybe the problem is in your liver, and Hepatoburn might be just what you need. The link with the special offer is in the first pinned comment. Enjoy it while you still have free shipping and an extended warranty. Did you like this video? Leave your like, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have used any natural supplement. This helps the channel a lot and motivates me to bring more honest reviews like this.